Today we're going to be installing these Auxito LED lights in the Fox body because my old eyes can't see anymore. So let's open these bad boys up and we'll see what we got. All right, so sweet, we got some nice gloves. Oh my gosh, those are really nice, man. Check them out. Heck yeah. So we got the product manual. Man, look at these bad boys. Those are really, really, really nice. I love the way those are built, really. And Auxito, that's nice stuff there, bro. Cool. Of course, the elements the same. The package, it's well packaged. If you was to have these shipped, I don't see how anything could go wrong. But all right, we'll get these in. I'll probably put one in so you can see the difference between the factory halogen and the LEDs. Okay guys, I'm working in the dark. So I got me a little flashlight so I can see where the heck I'm going. So I'm going to show you what these look like before I change the bulb. And I'm going to turn this off and turn the lights on. And here we go. Okay, that's what we got. Kind of a yellowy looking pattern. Come around here so you can see the front. I'm kind of close, but I'm in a tight garage. Most everyone knows what to do to put these in. Just take off the holder. Probably blocking everything. Pull the bulb out. You can see that. This is what I took out. Standard Sylvania. Focus. We'll see. We'll turn the lights out and see what we got. All right, here we go. We're in the dark again. Let's put in the right side, and we're going to see the difference. Here we go. Wow. Holy cow, would you look at that? Man, I'll have to get some of these for every car I got. Let's walk around front. Probably be able to tell right here a difference. Look at that. Wow. Man, amazing. Amazing. Open the garage door so you can get a better view of what we got going on here. Man, I hope that's coming out on a video because, wow, what a difference, man. What a huge difference. I mean, you could tell reflecting off the car cover. One side's white, one side's yellow. I'm going to put the other light in. We'll move this car. I'm sure it'll make the neighbors really happy. And we'll take a little spin. Oh yeah, baby. Let's get a look at those headlights. Damn. Man, that's so bright. That's on bright. Let's do. Look at that. Everyone's got to get some. That's all there's to it. Let's go for a little ride. Woohoo! Here we go. Man, I'm going to put LED lights in everything. Thank you, Auxito. These are freaking awesome, man. There's going to be a link in the description